record. Okay, I'm going to anonymous window. Now I'm executing this one with a batch size 50. So prior to this, what I'll do is I'll remove all the debug logs. Okay, I'll clear all the debug logs. So I'm going to debug, clear. So I cleared all the log files. Okay. So now I'm executing this highlighted one. You can see the batch class is executed successfully. Here you can see. And the serial batch classes. See here you can see different log files. You can see different log files, not a single log file, isn't it? So you can see batch apex tooling API, like it is performed like a serial batch apex range chunk handler. It is executed one time, two times. Means like based on the records, will process the records in a chunks. Like if we specified 50, right? For each and every iteration, it will process 50, 50, 50, and 50 records. So at the end, it will give you output corresponding to execute method. Okay, I'll keep in debug here. You can see batch finished.
It's finished.
So finally, it will go to the finish method. So if you don't specify the batch size, by default, it will take batch size like 200. So in this, if you remove this batch size like 50, like it will take 200 records for each and every chunk. Clear?
Yes.
So shall we stop here or shall we continue with the Cubable Apex also? So we'll be left over with the Schedule Apex and Cubable Apex. So what you can do is do the trailhead also regarding these two things. Okay, now you can be able to do. If you don't, if you stuck somewhere, you can search the solution in Google and try to understand the solution and clear the challenge. Like directly don't go with the solutions. So you can try on your own, execute it. You'll be getting errors. Whatever the errors you're getting, it will be suggest there. So after taking those suggestions, try to modify your code and try to resolve the problem.
Okay.
So can you able to go with that, or shall we continue with the Cubable Apex?
Are you free now? If you are free, you can continue.
But tomorrow she'll also join, right?
Yeah, I don't know whether she joins tomorrow or not.
Whether she join or not join, tomorrow I'll finish asynchronous Apex so that I'll get 3 days time to prepare at least one code of trigger and sorry, integration and ARA components. I promised you, right, to explain you.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
I'll prepare at least 4 to 5 different scenario based components. How to write a basic component, how to take help of Apex class into the basic component. I'll create like all the possible ways so that it will like you'll be benefited, isn't it? So that's why like tomorrow I'll be complete this asynchronous Apex.
Okay.
Okay, with this I'm stopping for today. Any doubts so far?